So I've just got the EGR cooler off of this 1.6 Biturbo Renault Trafic, and there's the old and new. If you look at the old one, the exhaust gases were leaking from this shaft, so you could hear an exhaust blow under throttle, and you could smell exhaust gases in the cabin. So if you've got this, this is your fault. You can't fix it, it's a new valve. It's a leak around that shaft. So there's the new valve, and go underneath and I'll show you quite a few things I've had to get moved out of the way. So I've got the steering rack off. To get the steering rack off, you have to take the subframe down, and then you also have to take the exhaust off as well. So not just the DPF. The DPF is part of the exhaust, so it's about 3/4 of the length of the vehicle. You have to take that off. All the sensors are on it, so they have to come out of the way. Some more brackets, and then up on the engine block there's a nice bit of space now. So above the drive shaft is where it sits. So it sits underneath the turbo. The turbo sits in this area, and that has to be moved out of the way. So there's quite a few bolts holding that on, a few pipes, an oil feed, a return. So a few things to get out of the way. I'll show you the turbo. It's quite a big unit, although it's only held on by about 5 bolts and just a few more bits and pieces. As you can see, it's quite an assembly, but it does come off quite well. So there you go, that's that. It's all good fun, so good luck if you're doing this yourself. Quite a bit to do. It's about, I think the book time is about 5 or 6 hours. It's taken me about 4 hours to get to this stage, so a bit more to do. I've added some pictures here just so that you can see some of the locations of fixings and bolts, etc. If you're methodical, you can work your way through it. It's not too bad. Just lots of bits and pieces that are not easy to see. So plenty of use of mirrors and inspection lights. Good luck.